So Jackie's making some egg rolls with avocado, like they have at BJ's. I guess we like those. I don't know if I like them or not, because the avocado gets hot. Like hot avocado is kind of a controversial kind of a taste or flavor, no?
Yes.
What do you think, Jackie? All right, let's see.
I think it's good.
Look at that, just fry up. Ooh, 2. How many are you gonna eat?
This is only the test.
Test? What do you mean?
Yes.
What's being tested?
If we like them.
If we like them?
Yes.
So these aren't like the ones from BJ's, because the BJ's ones only have avocado, right?
Yeah.
And
I
these,
got this one
how are these different?
I got this from Tatiana's Kitchen or something.
Shout out Tatiana's Kitchen. Was that a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Tanya's Kitchen.
Tanya? She's Russian?
She's Russian.
Or Mexican?
I think she's Russian.
Or de Salvador? Like my cousin Tanya. Oh, okay. She's white.
I think it's
So she might be
Tanya's.
Russian.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's not get into race so fast. Let's stick to cooking. So you went to go get these egg roll thingies. They don't just have these here, right?
Well, actually, I'm gonna
You have to
say
go far?
that Superior has them too.
Do they?
I've seen them there.
Is there an Asian section in Superior?
I can see them next to the cheese and the cream cheese. Like this.
The egg roll wraps?
Yeah.
What do you think other people make with these? Like legit egg rolls?
Like spring rolls or like legit.
What do spring rolls have? Like just veggie?
I think spring rolls are Vietnamese.
¿Qué le echan a los carne de?
No.
No es carne molida.
No, no siempre.
¿Qué le echan? ¿Qué lleva? Puerco?
No.
I forget. I haven't had like
Veggies,
just veggies, huh? So this is kind of just veggies too.
No, it's chicken.
These have chicken?
Yeah.
These have chicken?
Yes.
I didn't. Where's the chicken? I thought this was just avocado.
No.
Oh, this has chicken in it. Oh, snap. So it has chicken, cheese, and avocado.
Chicken cheese.
Oh, shit.
Chimichurri sauce.
I just got like 3 times more excited. I was like, oh, we're gonna have the avocado rolls. Oh, and then this is the chimichurri.
Yeah, but it's her version. It has avocado and traditionally does not have avocado.
What else is in there?
Parsley, cilantro, garlic.
Parsley, cilantro, garlic, and avocado, which it typically doesn't have.
Avocado typically doesn't have.
And grapeseed oil.
Well, I messed up.
Why?
Because I stared at the avocado oil for a very, very long time.
Why'd you stare at it for so long?
Because I was trying to decide which brand should I get because I normally don't
I never even heard of avocado oil.
that oil. Well, she recommends using extra virgin olive oil, but I watched another YouTube video and they said like, oh, avocado oil is good too. So I figured
For the flavor or why?
because
Or
it's
health-wise?
No, like just for the flavor.
Oh, okay. But you picked the grapeseed oil
It was right next to it. I don't know what happened,
and you just grabbed that one.
and I just accidentally grabbed that one.
Oh, weird.
The cheese.
But I'm sure it's not really gonna. I hope it
it's
doesn't
still
affect it. Why is this? This is like so green. This is kind of crazy.
Because of the cilantro and the parsley.
Oh yeah, it's like a different type of green. Anyways, let's see how these are doing. Ooh, these are golden. Golden crispy. The cheese is oozing out?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Oh my
take that one
god.
out.
These are nuts.
So she suggested that you eat it with more chimichurri sauce
Why? What do you mean?
as a dip.
As a dip?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna see.
When did you see this recipe?
I saw it last week.
And you were like, I need to make this.
I was like,
Yeah?
I need to.
You're craving this?
Because I like the BJ's avocado.
Egg rolls? But those are small. These are like heavy duty.
No, they're the same size.
No,
I
they're
think
not.
the same size.
Or they're like, they're thinner.
They're
At
just
BJ's.
sliced in half.
And at BJ's you get some sort of like,
I think it's like some
Salsa.
mixture of like hoisin sauce and like something else. I don't know. It's like a
like a
dark
sweet
sauce. I'm not sure, but we'll try.
okay. Interesting. So we're still kind of testing, you said?
Yes.
We're testing if we like these?
Mm-hmm.
When we're testing, maybe we put too much cheese, maybe not enough cheese.
Well, I put extra cheese because I like cheese.
Yeah. I'm a fan of cheese as well.
I'm not sure
Let's see.
if that's gonna be.
It's crunchy for sure. Oh, you're doing the diagonal cut.
Look.
smells crispy.
It smells
good.
crispy. I don't think you can smell.
Well, I don't know. It's like the bread. What does it smell? It's not like avocado. Like it's more like the crunchy.
No, but it looks good.
It does look good. Take a bite. Who's gonna take a bite?
You.
Me?
Mm-hmm. It's too hot.
I'm gonna burn. But I'll try. I'm gonna just burn my mouth. Oh wow. Yeah, BJ's had these, I'd be like, yeah, BJ's is kind of good, but I know I want to go back to BJ's after this. Fuck BJ's, it's real shit.